So hello everyone, myself Vivek Singh. I am one of the founder director of Physics Institute Delhi. In this video, I will talk about detailed course planning for pre-recorded video lecture batch for NetJRF, GATE, JES, TIFR and other PhD entrance aspirants. As you all are aware that every year competition among these exams are increasing and the passing rates are reducing. Many students find that physics is a difficult subject to clear these exams, but actually it's an easy subject if you learn it in the right way. So our approach is the right way of the learning. That's why over the years, Physics Institute has helped thousands of students to realize their dream of entering the top institutions of the country like ISC Bangalore, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, IITs, JEST related institute, IISERs, NISERs, NITs, Central Universities, DRDO, BARC, ISRO and many more. Now it's your turn to realize your dream, and for that you have to make proper planning and you have to execute it. You have to decide your source of study. That is very important. So now I will begin with this quote that a goal without plan is a wish. So goal making is very important. So let us first see, your first step is you have to decide what topics you are going to cover. So we have decided 9 topics on physics and 1 topic of general aptitude that is asked in NetJRF exam and in GATE exams. So these 9 topics will cover the whole syllabus of these exams. So these topics are classical mechanics, thermodynamics and statistical physics, electronics and experimental methods. Then we have quantum mechanics, electromagnetic theory, nuclear and particle physics, mathematical methods of physics, condensed matter physics, atomic and molecular physics. And one additional topic is, that is general aptitude. So we have to focus on these topics. Now in our video lecture batch, at a time we will release videos on 3 topics. For example, first we will release videos on classical mechanics, thermodynamics and statistical physics, and electronics and experimental methods. When any of these topics is completed, we will release next one, that is quantum mechanics, 4th number. When next topic completed, we will release 5th one, that is electromagnetic theory, and so on. So at a time you will get videos on 3 topics. Now if you see, overall we will release 500 hours of video lectures, and that will help you to cover the detailed theory and solved examples. You can develop your conceptual understanding of each topic. You will learn problem solving techniques so that you can solve problem quickly and easily. So first step is you have to decide what topics that you are going to cover. So in first step, you have decided what topics you are going to cover. Now second step is you have to focus on disciplined learning. As you can see that without discipline there is no learning, and for disciplined learning you have to follow these steps. So step number 1, you have to follow weekly schedule of plan provided by the institute. You have to stick to that. If possible, fix your timing to watch these video lectures as you do in offline classes. Now most important point is you have to prepare your own detailed notes by seeing these videos parallelly. After watching 5 to 10 minute video, you can pause it, complete your note and move on. You can also take help of our booklet or reference book, and if you find some additional point, you can improve your notes. I would like to give you one advice, that instead of making notes in a register or a copy, you should use loose A4 size sheet with proper numbering, because it has flexibility of adding some additional point at later stage. So for disciplined learning, follow these steps. So now we will see third level of planning. So you need lots of practice to build speed and accuracy. And for that, we will provide you topic wise assignment. For each topic you will get assignments, and there are approximately 800 subjective questions for practice. You have to also practice objective set that are provided in your booklet, and these are also approximately 900 objective questions. You have to also appear in weekly class tests that will be conducted by the institute, and you will get approximately 350 objective questions. You have to also solve previous year questions. So you will get questions based on NetJRF. These are approximately 1200 questions. Based on GATE exam, that is 600 question. Then JEST exam, approximately 500 questions. And you can also practice IIT JAM question that are helpful for these exams, and these are approximately 600 questions. So you will see overall approximately you have 5000 questions for practice. So you have to practice these questions, and please note, you have to revise your notes regularly. Now it's a time to give final touch to your preparation. So you have to join our All India test series, and we have planned test series for NetJRF and GATE. In NetJRF, you have to appear in 10 part test and 5 full length tests. So in part test, we will take topic wise test. So this 9 topic wise test based on physics subject, and 1 is on the general aptitude. And this 5 full length test covers the whole syllabus. So you will get total number of 925 questions. In GATE exams, we have planned 9 part test and 5 full length test. So out of 9, 8 based on the physics subject and 1 is on general aptitude. And this full length test covers the whole syllabus. So you will get 820 questions on GATE pattern. Now you can see what is the purpose of the test series. So purpose of the test series is to check what is your level of preparation, where you stand. You can avoid silly mistakes, and you can also add value addition to your preparation, because in test series you will get some new questions, and that can add to value to your preparation. So you will get approximately, you can see 745 questions from the test series. So apart from 500 hours of video lectures in which you will get detailed theory and solved example, you will get 5000 questions for practice and 1745 questions from the test series, and these are the sufficient to qualify any of these exams. So finally, I can conclude that if you want to qualify these exams, you have to make proper planning, and you have to execute it with hard work, discipline, focus, and belief. I would also like to assure all of our aspirants that physics is always there to help you, guide you, motivate you so that you can realize your dream. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Keep yourself motivated.